Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm coming at you from the kitchen right now. And why I'm here is because we're gonna get a little creative tonight. We're gonna take some of the things I have before I go grocery shopping and we're gonna make something out of it. So, what I've got here is some bacon, some discount marinade steak here, egg noodles, avocado. It's the only veggie I have left right now. So we're gonna make it work and we're gonna see what we can do with it. Wrap it up into a nice meal. Maybe get a nice sauce. I never know where to look, so I'll have to figure out where I was looking and where was the best spot to get that eye contact, But we're gonna make this all into a meal. And hopefully it tastes semi-good, but we're here for the creativity. Dang, I hope that worked. If it didn't work, I'm gonna have to do something else. So maybe I'll just swoop it off.
So I just walked into the kitchen today and I see my roommate starting up a cooking show apparently. So congrats, Dill, on taking my lifelong dream.
Hey Dill, just want to say, if it has anything to do with cookies, full support, man. And don't forget to smash that like channel.
And
What was the last part there, Dom?
Like, don't forget to channel that energy into liking,
energy.
smashing that like button.
I can't even edit that. Okay, so now we've got the bacon cooking. It's looking good, you saw it. And the water's almost boiling. Gonna get those egg noodles in. Now it's all about the timing. We got the steak here. Hold it up, you got to see a little bit of that bad boy. We're gonna season that up now, so let's get to that process. Okay, so at this point, my microphone is about to die. My camera's about to die. So I'm gonna whip the rest of it together, give you guys one last final shot of the final product. It's gonna be like almost like a stir fry with steak, avocado.